how flexible it can be, because I worked for some tasks in very different teams, such as funding, sales, and I think you can grow a lot like this.
The first one is that the work schedule is quite flexible in terms of time and what you're working on. Right, and the second thing is that technical work is you're pretty much you have a lot of agency in how you go about it. You can find lots of things to occupy yourself with in the work that make it interesting.
I actually like a lot the environment and also the daily challenges of fixing things and implementing new functionalities, and I think that this fast moving environment where you have to jump from one thing to another, I find it very, very fun to work on.
It provides a very unique exposure to different things that you like, and it's open source startup, so whatever you're doing, it's out in the public, and I think that's a perk very few companies can offer.
Well, of course, the whole mission of Ivy is very exciting for me, and I think for anyone who's doing machine learning and who's experienced the pain of not being able to use a model because they're not using the same framework. I think it's exciting to be able to work towards that a mission that will help everyone in the community.
The people are just, everyone's smart, everyone like works hard, everyone's super friendly, and yeah, and everyone's like, I mean the backgrounds, I mean, just amazing, right? We have like astrophysics PhD leading hiring. We have, like Vat, who's gonna do like research in quantum physics or something in Japan. Like it's just like an amazing like collection of people, I think, that we have, which is what I like most about it.